when replacing or installing crankshaft position sensors, you have to make sure that it's firmly seated. Sorry if I can get the angle right. So you can see the orange O-ring here, and I'm pushing pretty hard, but it's not quite seating. Obviously there's a mounting bolt. You can install the bolt and see if it pulls it in, but what I like to do is I push on the sensor with a pry bar. So I just put the pry bar in behind the bolt here, and then I pry up, and that gives me enough power or leverage to bottom out the sensor. Still not quite there, but I need my second hand, but you get the idea. And once it's flat in there or flush, then you can install the bolt and tighten it down. I'll show you the end result. Okay, and let me see if I can get in here somehow. Okay, I think you were able to tell that it's sitting flush. Okay, thanks for watching.